Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP LaserJet P2055dn printer driver in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. Here type HP LaserJet P2055dn printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer. Open the first link. Here we find our printer name and here we find Windows 10. And if you have not find your operating system at this point, that means go to the here choose a different OS, click on choose a different OS. Here click on the Windows and in version list go to the Windows 11. Select Windows 11 and click on the update. It's update your website. Scroll down and here we find our drivers list. Here we find driver universal printer driver. Expand this, and these universal printer drivers are old style printer drivers and our printer is old. And here we find two drivers. First is the PostScript and second is the PCL6. Both are same and both are 110% work on our Windows 11. I go with the first link. I click at here download. Click on the download. It's redirect to another page and here we find our download is started at here and it's complete in a few seconds. Here we find downloads at the top and click on show in a folder. Click on show in a folder and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it and here we find our setup file and we are going to extract this setup file. Go to the here. It is an actual zip file. Right click on this zip file or setup file and click on show more options. Click on extract files. Click on the OK. Here we find newly created folder. Double click on newly created folder and here we find our drivers and we are going to install these drivers. And we are going to install this manually on Windows 11 because this is the simplest and best way for the Windows 11. Go to the start. Printers and scanners. Type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner at the top we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a device. Click on add a device. And in few seconds new option is pop up. Wait for a few seconds. Here we find new option. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on add manually. Minimize it or close it. Here we find many options. Go to the last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Last option. Add a local printer. Click on the next. Here we find existing port. Existing port is the most IMP part of this installation. Click at here. And if you find .4_001 HP port, HP printer device, if you find any kind of the HP port, then select that. If you not find any HP port, then next option is select any USB port that you want. USB 001, USB 002, 003, 004. Select any USB port that you find. Select your USB port. Click on the next. Here you find Havatics. Click on the Havatics. Click on the browse. Go to your folder, newly extracted folder. Double click on it or go to your folder. In this case, this is my newly extracted folder, UPD. Double click on it. Here we find some files and these all files contain same drivers. Click on any file that you want. Click on open. Click on OK. Here we find two drivers. First is the PS and second with the PS with the version number. Select any. I select HP Universal Printer PS. Printing PS first and click on the next. Here type any printer name that you want. I type HP LaserJet P2055dn. Type your printer name or any printer name that you like. Click on the next. It's installing our printer. It takes 1 minute, 1 or 2 minutes. So be patient and wait for a few minutes. Our printer is installed in a few seconds. Now here you find new option. First is the share this printer on network. If you want to share this printer on network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. First option. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers list, if you find your printer name HP LaserJet P2055dn, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.